I get this type of question all the time. Why is it a bad idea to put my kids on my bank account? Well, let me tell you. There's several things that can happen. Some are in your child's control and some are out of your child's control. Both of them present risks to you as the account holder. First and foremost, everyone wants to think their kids are genuinely good and would never steal from them. But I can't tell you the number of times I've had little old ladies in my office crying because the child that they depended on went to the bank, took all their money, and took off. The problem with that is that if you add someone to your account as an owner, it's their money as much as it is yours. And the authorities will not get involved to try to go after them and get your money back because you made them an owner. But not everybody has terrible children. And so if you're one of those people that actually has a decent kid, you may not be worried about that. However, here's the other things that you may not be thinking about. What if your child gets sued? What if your child gets divorced? Well, if you have made them an owner of your bank account, their future ex-spouse could potentially go after half of that. And if they get sued for anything else, they get in a car accident, their dog bites someone, and maybe their insurance isn't enough to cover the judgment, that judgment creditor is going to put your child under oath. It's called a deposition in aid of execution. And they're going to say, list every bank account that your name is on. And your child will have to list your bank account with your money in it. And that creditor can ask a judge to levy your bank account to pay your child's creditor. So even if they're not at fault, they get in a car accident, they get divorced, your money could go bye-bye. And that's even if your child doesn't lose their mind and steal all your money. So I don't like this. The easy way to do it is use a power of attorney. The power of attorney lets your child have access to your account if you actually trust them, and that's good that you do. But if they take money without permission, we can go after them legally. We can sue them civilly. We can have them arrested for exploitation of the elderly, a breach of fiduciary duty. There's a lot of remedies. And more importantly, even if they don't try to steal your money, which most people don't, if they get sued or divorced, it's not their money and it cannot be used to pay their creditors or their future ex-spouse. So that's the short answer of why you don't want to put your kids on your account. If you trust your kids and you want them to help you financially, make them a power of attorney. That way they have full access to the account, but it's not their money, and they have a fiduciary responsibility to you to only use your money for you and not for themselves. Have a great day.